On a bright and happy day, Amaka walked through the forest, where birds sang and sunshine danced on the path. Suddenly, whoosh! A cool little bird named Pipi landed right in front of her. Oh no, Pipi's magic word cards are floating. They go out and they come in. What do these words mean? Amaka ponders. Not far away, a silly goat danced and danced right on top of the first glowing card. Amaka smiled and asked kindly using her polite words. BIKO means please in Igbo language. And just like that, the card sparkled with magic. From a shining river, a friendly fish jumped up, holding another glowing card. The fish beamed and said,
No.
with a happy splash. Amaka replied,
No. ENYI. No.
means welcome in Igbo language. What a warm and friendly word. At the edge of the forest, a cheerful monkey hugged the very last card. The monkey laughed and called Amaka,
ENYI. ENYI.
means friend in Igbo language. And friends make everything better. Hooray! Amaka found all the magic words, and Pipi couldn't stop dancing. With kind words and new friends, Amaka and Pipi walked happily into the sunset.